Well, today, how to be a multiple regression assumption in normality test of the scatter plot. How to be analyzes the assumptions of coefficients of multiple regressions of scatter plots in SPSS. Then you have to be gone to the SPSS and SPSS. Uh, for example, this computed data is very essential to transform and compute target variables, and to be numeric expressions of the variables you have to be used this method. Then which one of the then from the values of multiple regression how to be assumptions to be analysis, for example, to be analysis regressions, then is linear regressions, the regressions, linear regression. This is unnecessary. Later you have to be seen. This one. Okay. This is also reset both of them. You have to be reset. For example, you have to be done. This is computed variables. The computed variables is, for example, market development, transfer facility, creating and storage, market information, and expert performance. This is expert performances. There is dependent variables. That in fact that this part are there is predict variable. This is a dependent variables to be assumed one by one. Then let us see this one by one. This is the target one. You have this target one. Dependent variable is a target one. Okay. There is both of them are independent variable. Yes, that let us select these four predicted variables such here. And this is selected to be selected at these independent variables. This is as independent variables. Then you have to go to plots. Let's see. Be careful. You have to be seen from this. This is the target variables. This is target variables. Why is the target variables? This is dependent variables. This is dependent variables. Dependent variables is this one. Okay. Previous. Dependent variables is this one. Then it's next. Okay. This is dependent variables is this one. You have to be here. This is y. The next one is this one. Then this is also revised. This is the next one. Yeah. This is the first dependent variables and independent variables that have to be arranged. Then here that is next. This is also dependent variables. This is also dependent variables. This is the next one, dependent variable and dependent variables. There is next. Go to the third. This is dependent variables. Yes. Why? Go to the next one is independent variables. And next. There is this is dependent variables. Yeah. Go to the next one is independent variables. There is next. This is dependent variables. Well, why? This is x is independent variables. Then it has to be what? You have to be this about this is histogram, normality plot, reduced or partial plot. This is histogram. Let's select and tick. Normality plot tick. Produce partial plot tick. There is you have to be to use continue. Then is you have to be say okay. Well. Then it's in process. This is histogram. There is a bell shaped. there is histogram dependent variables for export performance. It has very best frequency. This is the mean is 6.93, standard deviation 0.9, and this is n is sample size. So very same best one, that is so best fitted. This is also normality. There is p plots of normal people regression standard residuals is also no break. This is no break. There is fully absorbed probe that absorbed is expected. Probe there is very good. That is good assumptions. This is the regression standard is not export performance. To export performance, there is not a good fit, not good fit. This one is export performance. It's not a good fit. Okay. There is, for example, there is export performance partial regression plot. This is a partial regression plot. Export performance to market development is very good circles to be spread out in the box. It is so good separations. It's so good separation that have to be separate at a good plot, at the good plot, regression plot. This is export performance to market development. The other one is export performance to transport facility. It is so well it's spread circle. This PTP circle. Let's say good but not good well, it's pretty good. Then is the partial regression plot of dependent variables is export performance to grading storage is also good spread, good separations, also good spread. Then the remaining last one is a partial regression plot for dependent variables because performance to market information is also not good well. It's good but not fully adjusted for based on these reasons market development speeds of the circles is very essential for both of them, dispose of them. Based on these assumptions, then it is a normal p plots of the regressions of standard residuals in this row and this row, there is some best. There is best these circles or PT circles not bracket. Then this is on the line. It is some problem, but it is solved that gap or that problems is so good. Thank you very much. For watching my video. Subscribe, please. Subscribe my video and save this video and watching this video and share for other person. Thank you very much for watching.